Enjoy the experience. Now take a look at these fantastic pictures. They're all by the Brighouse artist Roger Davies. Now his art celebrates community and culture in Calderdale. He's painted that so well, hasn't he? Roger was inspired by his art teacher at school, and so today he's tried to pass on that enthusiasm to local children at his gallery. Beth Parsons went along.
I've always been interested in the kind of artists that use what's on their doorstep as a subject matter.
Born and raised in Brighouse, Roger Davies has a passion for painting Calderdale, and today he's inspiring the next generation of artists.
Many of the places that are well-known places around Calderdale, I have my own stories to tell about them. People who look at the paintings, sometimes I find that the pictures appeal to them because those people who look at the pictures have their own stories to tell.
Today at the Smith Art Gallery in Brighouse, 30 Year 4 children have come to have a go. Some of them remember Roger after doing workshops with him a couple of years ago, and once again they're keen to get pens to paper.
Another half circle with a flat bottom, and that's all the clothes, isn't it? So I brought along some photographs which I have used, so the children will be looking at those and thinking about how they can dress the scene up and make it interesting and populate the picture with figures.
I've drawn the Peace Hall. Kind of do it in black and white because it reminds me of the olden days. I've done a picture of flags in Brighouse. It's because I love food. I drew the Victoria Theatre because in year 3 we went to go there to watch a pantomime. I draw my school because I thought, like, in the main entrance we can hang it up and then see if anyone else wants to look at it.
Good news for Lucas, we have had it officially confirmed the children's pictures will go on display at school. As for the Roger Davies exhibition, it's on at the Smith Art Gallery until the 28th of June. Beth Parsons, BBC Lent North, Brighouse.
Some budding artists of the future there for sure.